Okay, this is the town of Riverside right here. This is how much snow we got. That's about that. That's probably like 3 feet right there, 36 inches. So it is. We got about 28 inches of snow, or 30 inches of snow in Rhode Island. As you can see, digging myself out, just checking up on my Daikin unit. It's my main source of heat. Still working. I got the accessory drain pan heater installed. I got the snow stand. So yeah, I just cleared a little bit of ice on the in the middle of the fan grill, but we still got heat. We had the surge protector installed on the disconnect, so that was good because we lost power a few times. But yeah, look at this. This is wild. Anyways, you got a truck stuck over there. You believe it? Right there. Right there. So I got my I got my van running. My van's over there. Got the pickup running. Help clear out some of that snow off the windshield. And these are my front steps. So I'm gonna do a little bit of this walkway and go inside and eat some dinner.